Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to make mouth-watering, juicy carne asada right at home. Get ready for a sizzling carne asada fiesta. For those of you who don't know, carne asada is a popular Mexican dish, made from marinated and grilled beef, usually served with tortillas, salsa, and all the fixings. But today, we're focusing on the star of the show, the carne asada itself. First, let's talk about ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds flank or skirt steak, 1/2 cup fresh orange juice, 1/4 cup fresh lime juice, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 jalapeno, seeded and minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and salt to taste. Now, let's talk marinade. In a large bowl, whisk together the orange juice, lime juice, lemon juice, soy sauce, olive oil, cilantro, garlic, jalapeno, cumin, smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt. Give it a good mix and set aside. Next, prepare your steak. Be sure to use either flank steak or skirt steak. Place the steak in a large Ziploc bag or shallow dish, then pour the marinade over the meat. Make sure the steak is fully coated, and marinate for at least 2 hours, or up to overnight in the refrigerator. Next, preheat your grill to high heat. Then remove the steak from the marinade, letting any excess drip off. Place the steak on the grill and cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare, or until when it reaches your desired level of doneness. Once your carne asada is cooked to perfection, let it rest for about 5 minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. Then, slice the steak thinly against the grain and serve it up. And there you have it. Tender, flavorful, and juicy carne asada right in the comfort of your own home. Pair it with warm tortillas, salsa, and your favorite fixings, to create the ultimate carne asada fiesta. Thank you for joining us on this flavor-packed adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling us how your carne asada turned out. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.